All living organisms are made of cells, but not all cells are the same. There are two main types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Let us understand 13 important differences between them. Prokaryotic cells are very small, while eukaryotic cells are much larger. Prokaryotic cells are simple in structure, whereas eukaryotic cells are complex and well organized. Prokaryotic cells do not have a true nucleus. Their DNA lies freely in the cell. Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus surrounded by a nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cells, DNA is circular. In eukaryotic cells, DNA is linear and organized into chromosomes. Prokaryotic cells do not have membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells have membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and lysosomes. Prokaryotic cells have small ribosomes called 70S ribosomes. Eukaryotic cells have larger ribosomes called 80S ribosomes. Prokaryotic cells divide by a simple method called binary fission. Eukaryotic cells divide by mitosis and meiosis. Prokaryotic cells reproduce only asexually. Eukaryotic cells can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Most prokaryotic cells have a cell wall made of peptidoglycan. In eukaryotic cells, plants and fungi have a cell wall, but animal cells do not. Prokaryotic flagella are simple and rotate like a wheel. Eukaryotic flagella are complex and move by bending. Prokaryotic cells produce energy at the cell membrane. Eukaryotic cells produce energy inside mitochondria. Prokaryotic cells have very simple gene control. Eukaryotic cells have complex gene regulation. Examples of prokaryotic cells include bacteria and cyanobacteria. Examples of eukaryotic cells include plants, animals, fungi, and protists. In summary, prokaryotic cells are small and simple, while eukaryotic cells are large and complex.